In a world where every streaming platform drops new shows faster than we can keep up, most series blend into the noise, but Patal Lok, it does not just entertain but demands our attention. It left a mark, and not because of flashy visuals or big stars. This series dares to challenge the very fabric of our society. Let's break down why it still matters in today's age of content overload. Stick around because the answer goes deeper than you think. Let's be honest. There's too much content out there. Every year, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and other streaming platforms release over 400 shows and movies. Prime Video alone released more than 70 original titles in 2024. This flood of content creates viewer fatigue, where audiences struggle to remember shows just days after binge watching. Yet in the middle of this chaos, Patal Lok has stayed relevant for over 4 years. Why? Because it's more than just a crime drama. It's a cultural phenomena that sparked conversations far beyond its plot. Okay, but what really makes Patal Lok stand out when so many shows fail to leave a mark? Let's break it down. At its core, Patal Lok goes beyond just being a gripping crime drama. It's a mirror reflecting the harsh realities of Indian society. It's a layered exploration of India's deep-rooted issues. From the very first episode, we see Hathiram Chaudhary, a low middle class cop, struggle against a corrupt system that favors the powerful. Remember the news coverage in episode 2 where channels twist the truth for ratings? That's a direct commentary on modern media practices. Tyagi's backstory in episode 3, shot with minimal dialogue and heavy visuals, reflect how prejudice can fuel violence. The show does not just tell a fictional story, it feels uncomfortably real, pushing viewers to confront uncomfortable truths about power and privilege. The level of storytelling goes far beyond the surface level action we often see in series like Sacred Games or Mirzapur. While those shows rely on high-octane drama, Patal Lok lingers in uncomfortable silence, making you think long after the episode ends. Let's talk numbers. Did you know that over 600 shows are released every month across major platforms? Prime Video added 70 new shows alone in India. This saturation has made it difficult for any single show to make a lasting impact. However, Patal Lok defied this trend. It cut through the noise because it stood for something. It did not just entertain, it challenged us. And that brings us to our next point. So what makes Patal Lok different in this overcrowded landscape? The show introduces the concept of Swarg, Dharti and Patal Lok, 3 metaphorical layers of society. It reflects the harsh reality of marginalized communities often ignored in mainstream content. Every character feels layered. Hathiram, played brilliantly by Jaideep Ahlawat, is not a typical hero. He's flawed, he's relatable, and he's bounded by a system he cannot control. Vishal Tyagi, the villain, is given depth through haunting backstories rather than simple evil tropes. From the gritty Delhi backdrops to the haunting soundtracks, the series immerses you completely, creating tension not just through dialogue but through atmosphere. Director Avinash Arun uses visual storytelling like muted colors and raw, handheld camera shots to create a sense of discomfort that lingers. Minimal background music amplifies the tension, especially in scenes like the intense warehouse interrogation. But here's what truly sets Patal Lok apart. It did not just stop at being a great show, it exposed systemic flaws we often choose to ignore. Patal Lok did not just stay on screen, it made headlines. It sparked conversations around class divisions, rarely explored this deeply in mainstream content. Like Tyagi's backstory forced viewers to confront systemic oppression, media sensationalism, and its role in distorting justice. The character of Sanjeev Mehra mirrored the sensationalism of modern media. Law enforcement struggles tied to corruption and politics. Hathiram's journey exposed the flaws and frustration within India's police system. It wasn't just a hit show, it became part of public discourse. In fact, it received Filmfare OTT Award for Best Series and was praised for its bold, unapologetic storytelling. Prime Video did not just release Patal Lok, they marketed it as a flagship series that could redefine Indian storytelling. By focusing on the show's bold themes and cultural relevance in their campaigns, they positioned it as more than entertainment, they positioned it as a cultural statement. The promotional materials leaned into the show's bold themes rather than focusing on a star power. It was presented as part of Prime's push for more socially conscious Indian originals, setting a new benchmark for storytelling depth. And it worked. Patal Lok did not just trend for a weekend, it created conversations that lasted months after release. Look at us, we're still talking about it. So why does Patal Lok matter in the age of streaming overload? Because it proves that storytelling still matters, because it reminds us that storytelling is not just about binge-worthy moments, it's about holding a mirror to society. While the streaming world keeps racing for the next big hit, Patal Lok stands tall, not because it's louder, but because it's more meaningful. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Patal Lok has set a new standard for storytelling in India, or is there another show you feel deserves the spotlight? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth analysis into the best stories shaping modern cinema and television. See you in the next one. Bye.